Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm using the brand new Indigo sticker book in my Skinny Classic planner. And I use this for my social media planning. So I'm excited to use this brand new book because I don't think that they've ever, they really have never made, Happy Planner has never made a sticker book that is just one color. So I'm pretty excited about this. I hope that they continue this and make an entire green book, an entire pink book, an entire gray book. Like, I am here for it. I think that it's a lot of fun. So also, with it being blue, it has a lot of like jean kind of patterns and textures, so that's pretty fun. So I am going to be doing a lot of layering like I've been really enjoying. And I forgot to mention how I use my social media planner in case you are new here. Of course, welcome, but the way that I use my social media planner is I do a lot of decorating, and then for each day I have a box, and in that box I like to have 2 Instagram posts and then 1 YouTube video that I'm going to have planned out. So, of course, Wednesday is the midweek and Friday is Fun Corner Friday and things like that. And then I like to, if not every single day, at least about 4 or 5 videos per week on YouTube. I've been slacking a little bit this past week with the time change and everything. Things have just been kind of weird and I haven't been totally motivated, but yet today I was actually super motivated. I did a ton of cleaning and organizing. But anyways, totally off track, but so I did some layering there on Tuesday, and I actually had to cover up a word at the bottom of that quote, which was kind of sad, but I couldn't pull it up. So yeah, I didn't have my undo stuff near me, so I just went with it. Like, no big deal. Then that large circle on Friday, I was really feeling it. I thought that was like so cute. So went ahead and put that up there. And there's so much to choose from. It's almost like overwhelming because it's all just so cute. And there's lots of shapes and patterns, which of course I am totally here for. I love, 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 love it. And lots of shapes as well. The colorful boxes pages are just so functional. I'm loving it. The past few weeks in my social media planner, I have been kind of sad with. I feel like I went too fast and I wasn't like taking the time to make it something that I'm really, really, really going to want to use for that week. So this week I tried to really slow it down, take my time. Sometimes I tend to focus too much on the fact that I'm filming, and then I lose track of actually, you know, making it fun. I never want to lose track of why I plan to begin with. So making the final touches, I'm just kind of like going back in and seeing which boxes I missed or any little strips like these. I also wanted to use as well because there's a lot. There's like really cute patterns. So there's like stars or stripes or polka dots or like that jean kind of texture. So putting those down. Also, a few different times, like just then, I was not having the page in the frame, but it's fine. That washi is one that I've been holding on to for a while, but it's just such a specific color. It really doesn't go, it doesn't make its way onto many of my spreads. So I was excited that I'm doing a blue spread so that I could use that blue washi because it's really, really, really cute. And then this little cute sticker I went ahead and picked up. I thought it said meeting, but maybe it didn't. I don't know. All right, let's see. Almost done. Gonna put this last sticker down, but that's pretty much it. I'll pop it back into the discs for y'all for one last look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.